Hello everyone, I'm Himangi. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing great. This is the part 2 of recycling of coasters. If you haven't watched the part 1, go and check it out. I will leave the link in the description box below. In this video, we will give new look to our coasters by decoupage method. So let's get started. So I painted these old coasters beforehand with gesso. You can use white acrylic color also. Now once it's dried, I will paint the edges of coaster. Apply the Mod Podge on coaster and place the cutout which you wanna decoupage. Apply 2-3 coats of Mod Podge again over it and leave it to dry for some time. You can retouch the colors of cutout with acrylic colors if you want. Once it's dried, I will paint the boundary with dark blue color which is matching with the print on paper. I am making these white dots with white acrylic color around this cutout. And once it's dried, I will paint it with gold acrylic color. Don't forget to seal it with water sealer Mod Podge or spray. I hope you liked the video. If you do so, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.